Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the next bedroom that we are going to be working on. Now this room we have been getting everything ready for over the last few months, as when we started to work on this bedroom we saw there was a plastic vent on the wall over there and we uncovered that to reveal this section here where a fireplace once was. So everything has been done above this. The chimney's all fine, it's all clean, we've had the chimney pots done, there's cowls on there. Everything from this point upwards is absolutely fine. And this is where, quite a few people will remember, the missing fireplace goes. So we uncovered this quite early on when we moved in. We found it buried under an apple tree in the orchard and I restored it, but we didn't know where it actually fitted in the property. But when we knocked that chimney breast through, you will see it's missing a foot. So it's a bit like a Cinderella fireplace, really. We found its missing shoe. But that will be going back where it originally came from, which we think is the right thing to do, and it will make a lovely feature for this room. But we couldn't do that until we solved another problem. Now, the floor part where the foot of the fireplace was found is a lot lower than where this chipboard is. So what's happened is, over time, I'm stood on a platform here that is on the original joists. Now, the floorboards are long gone, unfortunately, and we're going to reinstate them. So we've lifted the carpet up, so we know hopefully this is all going to go to plan, but the chipboard is going to go and it's going to be replaced by these Victorian floorboards that we've managed to source locally. So the room will be floorboarded again rather than chipboarded. And this platform was mainly put in that we can sort of see to conceal the pipework for this ensuite. Now this ensuite was added about 20 odd years ago. There's the shower and the toilet and the sink, and the drop on the waste pipe under the shower is probably why this platform was added. So then all of the water flows then out down the front of the house. Now for us, there's 14 toilets I think in total on the main site, and that's quite a lot. So we are going to be taking out a couple of the bathrooms as we just don't need them. There's a master bathroom that isn't utilised at all, so we think it would be a better use of space to do that. The guys are going to take this out as carefully as possible. This is a sort of stud wall, we think, and hopefully the original wall is intact behind there, as the pipes look like they've been concealed that way behind the tiles. And this was, like I say, added as an ensuite. The other reason for taking this out as well is to get rid of the soil pipe that's on the front of the house. Now we're looking to reinstate some more original style features on the front of the property, and having a couple of soil pipes running alongside it just aren't really what we're kind of looking for. So to get these removed as well, that would be better. And also the way that the drain flows under the house, it's kind of damaged, and we have been able to see that water has been seeping out from that. So for us, it's going to be better just to remove them so we don't incur any more damage to other parts of the property. But it was really nicely done how they did do it. They've obviously put these bits of wood in and made it look old, but they're not the original beams. It has been cut into and added, but to blend in. So we are going to be removing that and going back to having the original larger room with the two little windows, which I think will brighten it up as well. So that is what we are going to be trying to do, but it's kind of quite a long-winded process. It's not going to be a straightforward just paint it and hope for the best. This is going to be lifting the floors and seeing if we can get everything removed, get this all back as one level, getting the floorboards down to start adding some character back into this house. And also, more importantly, getting the little fireplace back where it originally was, in the wall. And I think that would be lovely to actually reinstate it back where it originally came from after it's been waiting all these years to go back. So this is the plan for the bedroom. It's going to be quite interesting to see how this all unfolds. We hope it all goes to plan, but as with everything, when you start working on old properties, it very rarely does. So we're kind of belt and braces to see what we uncover, and we're going to be starting work with the plumber this afternoon to start removing the bathroom. So wish us luck, and I hope you enjoy following along with this room as we slowly start to transform it.